Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige ambitex interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, CLA 250 badging, clean set of all-season floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This CLA has 62,344 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.